hanger right in front of me. I feel like I'm in a floating garden. And I'm with Linda here with the InvisiClimb company, and she's the mastermind behind these invisible hanging planters and a few other things. What possessed you to come up with this idea?
Well, I have to tell you, the honest truth is I started with my invisible trellis kit, and then one of my customers said, can you do an invisible plant hanger? They had a need for it, and they said, since invisible is in your name, you should be able to do it.
Wow, okay, it is invisible, but I'm telling you, you're gonna be hot. Guys, this is the missing link to hanging planters. You know those ugly plastic things? They're out of here. If it isn't enough already that we have an invisible plant hanger, we've got a great invisible trellising system that you can wrap around posts. You're showing me here that you can put this, up against the wall?
See, the nice thing is that most of the times if you have a lamp or a post or anything that comes out, a conventional trellis won't work. The nice thing about this invisible trellis is it comes with the hardware. You simply just attach it to the enclosed screw eye hooks up at the top that you put in your soffit. It's 12 feet tall. At the end of the growing season, when everything goes dormant and it looks ugly, we don't want that on our home over the winter. So you simply take it off the screw eye hooks, put it down on the ground. In the spring, when it starts growing again, you simply put it back up again.
You are smiling so big. Okay, she's a real gardener, as I am, and we get excited about this because a lot of the times, you know, we want to save some money, so we'll go to our garden centers and we'll buy maybe the wood trellises, but what happens? After a little while, it starts to decay and rot, unless you get the poly, but still, they're really not much to look at in the off-season. I like the practical use where you can just take it off, put it back on when it's time to vine your plants again.
No storage problems.
Okay.
You know, it's just very nice and complimentary. If you look at it up against a brick or your siding, you barely see it from the street, so it doesn't look like a conventional trellis. When something isn't growing yet, it doesn't look like you're either a lazy gardener or a bad gardener with nothing growing on your trellis.
That's a wonderful thing. Now, how heavy? Can you grow fruit on this? Because I've started to even tie up some of my melons, my smaller melons. Is there a weight limit?
This will hold about 20 to 30 pounds.
Okay, 20 to 30 pounds. You hear that, kids? That's not going to hold you up, so don't try climbing up this, okay? Don't do this at home. I love it. This is wonderful. Thank you so much. Guys, look for the InvisiClimb system at your independent garden center. What's it going to cost us? Did you tell me?
It runs about $12.99. One other thing that I'd like to mention is these are made by people with disabilities in McHenry, Illinois, and it helps to give them jobs that they can do also.
That's wonderful. So you're enabling us to garden more efficiently, better, practically, and you're also enabling people to have work. I love that. Double duty.